Closed loop speed control of synchronous motor by using current source inverter. Okay, closed loop speed control using CSI in synchronous motor. Okay, the speed of a synchronous motor can be controlled by using this closed loop manner using current source inverter. Okay, so this is the block terminal voltage sensor. Okay, and is connected to the pulse delay circuit. Okay, so this is called a sign of speed. Okay, sign of positive sign, or it is indicator. It sends the sign of speed error, sign of speed error. Okay, and this sign of speed error means the reference speed is called omega m star. Actual speed is called omega m. Okay, the actual speed is coming from synchronous motor. This is called synchronous motor. No? From the synchronous motor, the actual speed is so you are getting like this manner. So you have to, this way we are getting this actual speed of a synchronous motor. So we are fed it to the comparator. This is called comparator. And then the reference speed is called omega m star, and actual speed is called omega m. And the difference speed, this is called a difference between these two. So reference speed minus omega m is called speed error. That is called E omega m. That is called E omega m speed error. This speed error is positive or negative can be sensed by using the sign of speed error. Okay, the sign of speed error, it shows the it display the sign of speed error. It is a display, one display block is there, so it display the speed error. So that means here, what is the speed error here? What is the speed error? So E omega m, that is called, this is called E error, E omega m. So the speed error is equal to omega m star. Okay, omega m star minus omega m, because of this is called minus, fed to the, so minus na. Okay, so that's why the difference between these two is called omega m star, and omega m is called difference is called error, speed error. Okay, this is called so a speed error signal. Understood? This is called a speed error signal. So this speed error is positive or negative. Okay, they displayed by using sign of speed error. This is one of the display block. So here the reference speed is more than the reference speed omega m star is greater than actual speed. Okay, if omega m star is greater than omega m, then speed error will become positive. Okay, so the sign of this speed error can be measured by using this. The reference speed is omega m star is more than that of the actual speed. Reference speed is greater than minus. For example, this is called 1500 RPM. Okay, this is called 1450 RPM. Then speed error will become positive. No? Okay, 50. That is a positive speed error. Is fed to the sign of, so sign of speed error, pulse delay. Okay, if the omega m star is less than omega m star, that is called reference speed is less than actual speed. Okay, reference speed is less than actual speed. So that means here 1450 reverse, here 1450 minus 1500 RPM. Actual speed is 1500 RPM, but reference speed is okay 1450 RPM. For example, if the reference speed is 1500 RPM only, okay, but the actual speed is greater than 1500 RPM, 1550 or 1545, like this, the speed error has become negative. No? Speed error has become negative. Okay, here positive because of reference speed is more than that of the actual speed. Here so negative because of the actual speed is more than that of the reference speed. It's clear. So this type of signals so we're getting from this comparator. This is called a comparator. Compare the signals. Okay, this is speed, reference speed, and actual speed. Comparator. Compare these inputs. Okay, reference speed and actual speed. Understood? And then references, the comparison and the difference between these two speed. This called speed error is fed to the speed controller. Okay, Understood? So it's fed to the speed control. So try to consider. This block diagram is called closed loop. Closed loop. This is called closed loop or speed control. Okay. This block diagram is called as a closed loop speed control of synchronous motor. Okay. Closed loop speed control of synchronous motor fed from CSI. This closed loop. Okay. And here, this closed loop speed control of synchronous motor, it employs a outer speed control loop. This is called a outer speed control loop. Outer speed control loop. Understood? Outer speed control loop. This is called outer speed control loop, and also it is having inner current control loop, same as an induction machine also. Okay, rotor side control and stator side control of induction machine by using closed loop. So this is called inner current control loop. Inner current control loop. This is called inner current control loop. No? So this is called speed. So this so we are getting from the speed that is called actual speed from the synchronous motor. So that's why this is called outer speed control loop, and this is called inner current control loop. Okay, with limiter, with current control limiter. Okay, the speed of rotor is sensed by the voltage terminals of the stator. Okay, the speed of the synchronous motor. This speed of the synchronous motor is sensed by voltage terminals of the sensor. From this, understood? The speed of the rotor is sensed by the voltage at terminals of the stator. This is connected to the terminal sensor. Terminal voltage sensor is connected to the stator. Okay, winding of a synchronous motor. Na? So that's why the speed of the synchronous motor is based on voltage. Okay, the speed of the rotor is sensed by the voltage at terminals of the stator. Okay, and firing angles to the inverter are generated accordingly. Firing angles to the inverter is generated according to the. Understood? So here, so this actual speed is called omega m. This is called actual speed. Actual speed. Okay, the actual speed omega m, and a reference speed. This is called reference speed omega m star. By using the comparator, this is called comparator. Okay, by using comparator, it gives a speed error. It gives a speed error omega m. Okay, speed error omega m. The error signal is processed through a speed controller. Processed through a speed controller. This block, and also current limiter. This block. Okay, this speed error EW omega m is processed through a speed controller and also current limiter, and it gives the reference DC link current, that is called ID. It gives the current limiter. It gives the reference DC link current, that is called ID, and this ID, this actual DC link current, the actual DC link current is sensed by the current sensor. Okay, the actual DC link current is sensed by the current sensor. Actual DC link current is sensed by the current sensor. It gives the actual DC link current. It gives the actual DC link current. Okay, these two currents are compared by the comparator. From this current and from this current limiter current and the reference current. Okay, so here first the speed error, so omega m star minus omega m, that is called speed error, is fed to the processed through a speed controller and current limiter. Processed through a speed controller and current limiter. It gives the reference DC link current. It gives the reference DC link current, actual DC link current. It gives the reference DC link current and actual DC link, reference DC link current and actual DC link current. It's sensed by the sensor, and also it gives the actual DC link current. These two currents are compared by the comparator. This is called a current comparator. Comparators. Okay, this is also one of the comparator. Let's compare the two currents, input currents, this current and this current. Okay, DC link current. This is called a DC link current. Okay, this is DC link current, and also this is called a reference current. These two currents are compared by the comparator, and the difference between the current, okay, is fed to the current controller and firing circuit. Okay, so the difference between this is called ID star. Okay, that's called reference speed. This is called DC link current. ID star minus ID. This difference between these two currents is fed to the current controller and firing circuit. Okay, these two currents are compared by the comparator. This signal is fed to the current controller and firing circuit. The difference between this color ID star, this color reference speed minus this T, this current, difference current is fed to the current controller and firing circuit. This firing circuit generates triggering pulses. That is called source side firing circuit. Okay, the firing circuit generates triggering pulses to the source side of converter. That is called alpha S. Okay, so I'm already explained this source side of converters. Okay, so this is called source side of converter, and this synchronous motor control, this is called alpha S is called source side of converter. No? So the firing circuit generate triggering pulses to the source side of the converter, like this. This is called source side converter. Okay, this is called load side converter. But here this scheme is called with the power circuit, source side converter and load side converter with the power circuit. But this is called closed loop speed controller. Closed loop speed control drive. This is called closed loop speed controller. This is called source side converter, and this is called load side converter. Your load side, source side converter is firing angle is called alpha S, and the load side converter is the firing angle is called alpha L. Am I right? Okay. So in this way, this speed of synchronous motor can be sensed by like this manner. So in these blocks, first omega m star minus omega m, that's called speed error, is processed through a speed controller and fed to the current limiter, and the current limiter so generates reference speed, reference current, that is called ID star, and the difference between this actual DC link current and reference current ID star minus ID is fed to the current controller and firing circuit, and then according to this is reference current, difference between these two currents, the firing circuit is working and the current controller is working, is generate the firing angle to the source side of converter according to this current controller and firing circuit. This colors generate firing angle alpha S. Firing circuit generates the triggering pulses to the source side of converters in this way. Understood? It's clear. The speed error OW omega m signal is fed to the phase delay circuit. So this side is over, source side is over. Then coming to the load side. Okay, the load side. If the speed error EW omega m, that is called omega m star minus omega m, the speed error is fed to the phase delay circuit through a sine of EW. Phase delay circuit is fed to the phase delay circuit. Okay, the error signal is positive. Okay, so try to consider the error signal is positive. That is called EW omega m is equal to omega m star minus omega m. Okay, the speed error is positive. For example, omega m star difference speed is more than that of the actual speed. Okay, so speed error EW omega m is fed to the phase delay circuit. Okay, so like this so like this manner is fed to the phase delay circuit. The error signal is positive. If this error signal is positive, the motor goes to motoring mode. If the speed error is positive, it is motor goes to motoring mode. Understood? Motoring mode. But the signal is negative. If the signal is, if the speed error omega signal is negative, the speed error OWM signal is negative, the motor goes to braking mode. Okay, the motor goes to, so motor goes to braking mode. Understood? Braking mode. So based on this speed error, the speed error is positive, and then the synchronous motor is going to motoring mode, and if the speed error is negative, the motor is going to braking mode. Understood? The phase delay circuit shift the reference pulses. This is called phase delay circuit. Okay, the phase delay circuit shifts the reference pulses suitably to obtain the control of a constant commutation lead angle beta LC. Okay, try to consider here the phase delay circuit. This is called a phase delay circuit. Shift the reference pulses. Shifts the reference pulses suitable to obtain the control at a constant commutation lead angle beta LC. So beta LC commutation lead angle, constant commutation lead angle. So we have to maintain this. Beta LC is a constant. To obtain the constant lead angle, the pulse delay circuit shifts the reference pulses. Okay, reference pulses suitably to obtain control of constant commutation lead angle, that is called beta LC, depending upon sign of the speed error. Okay, EWM, depending upon sign of the speed error, this shifts the pulse delay circuit pulse. Okay, here beta LC is set to provide motoring or braking operations. Based on this, beta LC is set to provide motoring or braking operations. It's clear? By increasing the reference speed omega m star. Okay, by increasing the reference speed omega m star produces a positive speed error. Positive. Okay, positive speed error, that is called EW omega. By increasing the speed error, so the reference speed is like this. Okay, by increasing the reference speed omega m star, it produces a positive speed error. So omega m star is more than omega m, na? So that's why produces a positive speed error. Then beta LC commutation lead angle. Commutation lead angle value set to motoring operations. Motoring operations. Based on commutation lead angle, it is working motoring and braking. Okay, motoring operation, that is called so if speed error will become positive, that means beta LC set to motoring operation. By increasing the speed error omega m star, the produces a positive speed error EW omega m. Then commutation lead angle beta LC value set to motoring operation. Okay, the speed controller and current limiter set to DC link. Okay, the speed controller and current limiter. Speed controller, this is called speed controller. Speed controller and current limiter. Current limiter. This is current limiter. Speed controller and current limiter set to the DC link current reference at maximum value. Current reference, that is called ID star. So this is called ID star. Set to the speed controller and current limiter set to the DC link current references at maximum permissible value. DC link current set to the maximum permissible value. So the motor accelerate fast. Okay, then motor accelerate. Okay, the motor accelerate fast. So because of this. Okay, motor accelerate fast. When close to the required speed, when close to this required speed, that means omega m star and omega m, so equal, approximately equal. When close to the required speed, the current limiter, this current limiter, desaturate. That means desaturate. The current limiter, if the static constant here, if omega m star is approximately equal to, okay, omega m, that is called reference speed is equal to the actual speed. For this case, the current limiter will become desaturate. If the reference speed is equal to the actual speed, the current limiter desaturate and the drive comes to required speed. This drive, synchronous motor, this drive comes to required speed at the DC link current, which balance the motor and the load torques. Understand? Which balance the motor and load torques. So like this is operating in the motoring mode. If the speed error is positive, U omega m is positive. Okay. Try to consider here again. By increasing this reference speed omega m star, by increasing the reference speed omega m star, produces a positive speed error. Produces a positive speed error. So then, because of this beta LC commutation lead angle set to a motoring operations, motoring. Okay, commutation lead angle is set to the motoring operations. So based on that, it is operating, motoring or braking operations. Okay, if commutation lead angle is set to a beta LC is set to the motoring operation. Okay, the speed controller and the current limiter set a DC link current reference ID star. This is called set a DC link current reference current is a maximum permissible value. Okay, then motor accelerate. So the difference between ID star and ID is maximum. That's why. Okay, and based on that, the firing angle, current firing circuit control the firing circuit according to that. So this motor accelerate fast. Motor by control by changing the firing angle, the motor accelerate fast. Understood? Accelerate fast because of the difference between these two is very high. Okay, omega m star and omega m is I. Okay, so commutation lead angle set to motoring operation, and then that's why so ID star becomes I and difference is I, and then set it to the firing angle controller, and then motor accelerate fast. When close to the synchronous required speed, okay, when close to the required speed, that is called omega m star is almost is equal to omega m. Okay, when close to the required speed, the current limiter desaturate. This is called desaturate. Understood? Desaturate means this reference ID star is decreases. Is approximately is also approximately is equal to 80. Okay, desaturates, and the drive is comes to the required speed, and the DC link current which balance the motor, and load torques. Okay, so understood this concept. When omega m star is greater than that, the U omega m, that is color is positive. Okay, so error speed is approximately is equal to 0. These two cases. Similarly, decreases reference speed. Also, we have to discuss. If the reference speed is decreasing, omega m star is decreasing. Okay. Similarly, the decrease in reference speed produces a negative error. No? So that's why omega m star is minus omega m has become negative. So that means a negative speed error. EW omega m has become negative. Okay, produces a negative sign error. This sets because of this negative, this beta LC sets to operate braking operations. If beta LC commutation lead angle is a positive, motoring, am I right? Motoring operations. If the beta LC commutation lead angle is a negative, okay, if this is negative, means if this omega m star speed error is negative, it sets to braking operation. Based on speed error, it's working. Commutation lead angle is at different values. Okay, so it is a positive. The speed error omega m is positive. The beta LC is sets to motoring operations. The beta LC is a negative. I mean, this is a negative omega m star minus omega m. The reference speed omega m is negative. The beta LC set to braking operations. Okay, it's clear. Beta LC is this color. Similarly, decreases the reference speed omega m star. Omega m star decreases. That is called reference speed. Okay, and is a negative error. Negative speed error has become negative. Okay, and this beta LC sets to regenerative braking mode. That is called regenerative or regenerative Okay, regenerative braking mode operation, and the motor decelerate. Speed become decreasing, motor decelerate. That means omega m is decreasing. Okay, so when speed error is beta else is set to motoring operation. Okay, and the motor drives settles at a required speed. Then so if we are changing this b omega m decreasing, then omega m b speed error is become positive and settles required speed. Okay, so this is about closed loop speed control of synchronous motor using current source motor drive. Okay,